Hello guys, so today this is my fourth video lecture and today I will be talking about ultrasonic test. So what is ultrasonic test and disadvantage and advantages of it. So ultrasonic test is high frequency sound wave test. The sound wave ranges from 0.5 megahertz to 15 megahertz, and to conduct the examination and make measurements in ultrasonic testing techniques, the ultrasonic waves are sent through the object or material to find the discontinuities or problems in the material. So how does this thing works? So in ultrasonic testing, it is based on either reflected waves or received waves or transmitted waves, we can say it. So reflected waves are reflected through the pulse echo and the transmitted waves are through the transmission, and each of two types is used in certain applications also. Such applications are flaw detection, evaluation of dimension and measurement, and material characterization, and others also. So this is thing, and how the but pulse echo system are more useful since it requires only one side access. So now I will be talking about the principal working of this thing. So the ultrasonic testing, it consists of three things. One is pulsar or receiver, and other is transducer, and third is digital display. So what does the pulsar do? The pulsar gives a high voltage, high current into the transducer, and then the transducer transmit it into waves which pass through the object or material, and then it reflected back into the transducer, and then it converts the waves into electrical energy, and then we get the data into the display, and we get to know that what is the problem and the system. So and now I will be talking about advantages. So the advantages of it is that the ultrasonic test is sensitive to both type of surfaces, like subsurface also and to this rough surface also. And the second one is it provides instantaneous result, means it gives a quick result. It does not require any delayed action, or you do the test and you get the result that what is the problem in this material. And third, it gives a detailed images of the what is the problem, and not other like tests that they do not give the detailed result. In this we get the detailed results. And the disadvantages are that cast iron could not be used in the inspection because cast iron has low frequency of the waves, so it produce noise, so that we can not use the cast iron in this process. And it normally requires a coupling medium. So that's are the disadvantages of it. So I hope that you understand it. So if you have any doubts, please give it into comments. Thank you.